Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some carrot and orange juice. If you're a return subscriber, thank you for coming to watch my video once again. And if you're new here, kindly tap the subscribe button and give this video a big like. Now onto the video. These are my two ingredients I'm going to be using today. Carrots and orange. I'll first add in my orange. Next I'll add my sliced carrots. And finally I'll add some water. I'm now going to cover and blend it. I've now blended it into this nice fine smoothie. Carrot and orange smoothie mix can help you boost your skin health, boost your eye health, boost your immunity and aid weight loss, fight cholesterol and boost your heart health. If you like this type of content, give this video a big like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.